I just put on a bunch of, I brushed on from here to here to here to here. This whole section in the middle, I brushed on Weldwood contact cement, the original style with the red label. That was recommended by some upholsterers as better than headliner spray, better than anything that is commercially available that's non-industrial. And I use this paint roller with a foam thing to roll it on. You can see it's pretty sticky. You're supposed to wait like 10 to 15 minutes. I also painted from here all the way down to there, and then to like right there, and then to here. So I did a large section of the middle, and I'll be able to press this. You're supposed to start in the middle and work your way forward and back, and then side to side is what ChatGPT said. So right now I'm just letting it kind of release its solvent, and then I'll be able to start pressing it in and working out, and then I'll do like from wherever it left forward, work out all the details later. As far as how did I get it held up without a helper, I put a drill weight on one end, and then the other end I used Gorilla Tape on this end, here, here, and here, to just hold it up, and make sure that it's coming this way enough and it doesn't pull into the van. Because the centered part, we got to be able to estimate. This wire for the reverse camera, I had to put under it, so I made sure to go above that. And that will end up running like under the weather stripping along here or something. So that's where I'm at. Here's a little start. You can see it did take. So there's a beginning. Some of it's still too wet. I gotta let it evaporate more. All right, we got it end to end now. Nice tunnel. So now I'm gonna work that way, and then I'll work this way. All right, you could see here's the headliner. The front little section here, I still gotta finish up and re-glue it. Some of it was dusty, so the glue didn't hold up, but everything else seems to be holding up okay. I got the seat covers on, they're looking good. I colored up these, they look better. And I colored all the bottoms of the seats now real good. And you can see I colored the pillars too. I got this seatbelt working. I painted the seatbelts black and the seatbelt holder sticks black. And finally this pillar I got done. And all this trim I got painted now, or weather stripping with black silicone, RTV silicone. And the door I retouched with pewter. It's a little lighter, but I think it will fade and get darker over time and blend in more over time. Same with this. I got these painted now with the gray pewter. And same on this side. You can see the little gray strip on the side of the door. So, and this I'm pretty happy with. And this is okay. There's a big hole here. It's all looking decent. And then I got these colored and textured a little bit, but the texture isn't perfect. It's kind of just a practice run. These are my texturing hot glue things. So it's not wanting to zoom in too well. There we go. So, and then I got this one colored too, but it's not textured perfect, but kind of running out of time on it, so I'm pretty much calling things done here. Looks you know, kind of rough, but nothing's like
Well, how come you're
outright
not
horrible.
walking?
Got
It's
this
supposed to
panel
be
replaced
walking.
and stuff, so it's much better. So everything's just kind of okay, decent. I never got around to like doing that and painting the back, but it's still not bad for like a work van, I guess. So that's pretty much how he's gonna get it. I just wanted everything to be like mostly functional, mostly decent, and I think I achieved that goal. Colored this seatbelt thing too. It was gray. I got it black now. So I don't know. In lower lighting, it looks probably a little bit better. It's very sunny out, so you can really see every flaw now. But at least that's like an honest take of my work. So yeah, I still got 8,000 for it. So mission accomplished. Did an okay job. I just am sewing up the sun visors still. All right, I'm pretty happy with things. I finally got the rest of this tucked in up here, and there's a little bit of wrinkling in this area, but it's because of all the cords and just, I don't know, the geometry somehow it just kind of got collapsed and there's too much fabric to deal with. I couldn't really do anything. So that's kind of just newbie headliner mistake, I guess. But besides that, I feel it came out quite good. And here's the door. I think it looks pretty good. And steering wheel is okay-ish. I mean, it'd help if you put like a gloss coat on it or a texture coat and then one final paint pass and a gloss coat. But I feel like that's final tuning work, and for a work van, I don't even know if people care to that degree. This is a work van. It is not that young. I mean, it's 2013. It's 2026. I don't think people really want it to be like looking like a BMW or whatever. So I don't know. I don't think it looks like a fire van anymore. It doesn't smell like it either. So I think that, you know, it's in good usable condition now. And I think it'll be fine. I feel pleased with this. I just gotta finish the sun visors.